All right, so we got a Samsung unit here, and we are taking this thing in. We're going in that door. Now, the door's already off, and I just want to go over a few things. Make sure you measure. That door is 31. So, mark your hinges. These hinges will have to come off. Allen key and Phillips, so you have to remove them. 10mm bolts, 2 of them there. And you lift the freezer door off. Pretty straightforward. Brackets that they fall in place. And take everything off so you don't make a mistake. You really can't mess up. It's marked on there if you look at it, left or right, so you're not going to be able to mess it up. Now, these hinges on the top, pretty straightforward. When you take them off, they go under, okay? And you'll set your door on that pin at the bottom once you put it back on. Sometimes the foam will get in the way and impede somewhat. And once you get the back piece in, you're able to push down. You'll need someone to help you hold the door. And once you do, push down. And this clip will be here. You secure it. If you have water and ice, you would disconnect all of those. Of course, you unplug the water and all that stuff. And to remove, you basically lift and it comes off. Keep everything in order so you don't make a mistake. And of course, make sure you measure before you set it at the door, and then you have to come back and remove. So let's take these off. So you want to make sure that you have enough room, at least 1/4 of an inch clearance. So if your door is 31 inches, you have to figure 29.5, okay? Because you do need to get in, so you don't want to scratch anything. And make sure the door can open all the way. So giving that door is 31. This is 31. So we have to remove that for it to go. All right, let's get them off. Everything's off. Now pay attention. Keep your screws together so you can't make a mistake. The screws, T30, keep them together. Now we're ready. We can bring this thing in. So I'm using a grabbo, and it allows grabbing. You can basically just grab this and you can just pull. Make sure it's fully sucked down. And then you can pull or have someone help you, but it gives me the ability to actually pull. Make sure you got all your screws from up top, and that's it. Now we're going to be going in that door. All right, I see you do that. Quick tip here, make sure before you enter, get your hand truck, get it fully lined up. Make sure nothing's behind your door, because once you get started, it's going to be really difficult with the weight and everything. So get lined up so that you can actually come on all the way through. Hopefully you have a ramp. If not, well, you know how that goes. 2 people, or make a makeshift ramp. All right, so we're in. Get a ladder if you need one, or a step stool. And we're going to start getting these doors on. First thing you need to put your hinges, and then you can put your freezer door in. Also, make sure that you measure for this if you're super tight in your opening. If you do, you might have to remove the track before you can get it in. If you're super, super tight on your space, I forgot to mention that. All right, so let's get these doors in. All right, so we're gonna be putting on this. Again, label makes everything a lot easier, guys. You might need 2 hands, in my case. Might be easier to put the Phillips screw in first. One to start it. Always start with your hand. Don't force these in. Just snug, don't go crazy. I'll have this up here and ready, so when the door goes up, have your hinges, everything up there, so that you're fully ready to go. Now you're going to be hanging the door. There's a little lever. Drop it on there, and then you put your screws in. Just like that. And that's it. Put your screws in. 10mm bolts. All right, make sure that is in, nice and secure. Everything should be good. Lift. Now we got our doors. Get your tool, get it ready, Phillips screwdriver, and that's pretty much, get your hinges, set them up there. And you might need someone to help you to hold each door as you get them up. All right, here's the door. We're gonna set it right there and have it held right here. That's your hinge setup. Keep everything here so you're ready to go. You're by yourself and you do not want to drop the door, you can get a ratchet strap or duct tape, anything, and tape the door, anything. But best thing is to have someone give you a hand or put your knee against the door and hold it in place. Make sure you're not pinching, and you're gonna wiggle. You're gonna push down. Make sure you're in. All right, and that's using one hand. You got your hinge lock. You have your connectors. That tab tells you that it goes this way. And of course, lock it in. Perfect. All right, got your ground strap. This will go over here to that, and this will go under here. But first we need to get the other door on. Make sure everything's lined up, door is level before you plug it in. The pointer, keep everything. This is the right door, so this was taken off from this, to leave it here. It helps. Do I need it? Well, not really, but you might. That plugs right there. Them. And they go up top. Wire harness. Secure that so you don't have that accidental screwing into them. So that you don't screw them. All right, so super important. Just want to pay attention to your screws, where they will be, and you don't want to screw them and damage your board or the user. So open the door, they snap, and now you can screw them with confidence, knowing that you're not going to impede or damage your wires. All right, again, always close this door first, followed by this one. And now it's time to see if the fridge is level. You can see it's not, so you want to make sure it's on full level ground. There's your plug. You'll figure that out, but I'm going to slide it back. All right, you want to leave a little bit of space for it to breathe. And now we're level. So always get it in place before you do any kind of leveling. Now you can plug your unit in. It's best to always use the bottom so you don't tie up the bottom. Some of these plugs are like that, so use the bottom one so you have access to the top if need be. All right, we're running. Make sure nothing is rubbing. All right, guys, thanks for watching.